it's the weekend, I would bring you guys another video. So I decided to play a game called Throttle on Adult Swim Games. It's a game by Cactus, the same person who I believe developed Hotline Miami. And it's just a flash game that I found like 5 minutes ago, and I really have no clue what's gonna happen. So I'm basically running into this blind. But it looked really funny, so I decided that I was gonna play it. So, let's do tournament. Why do these people have like wrinkles all over their face? Why is he dancing? Can you hear me? ... I said, why aren't you wearing clothes? Cars don't... Sorry, that was just really random. Cars? Cars don't talk. Cars... I'm ready. I have no clue what's going on. Oh gosh. Okay. Run. How do I fart like everyone else? Oh, there we go. How do I fart? Now I'm speeding up. Oh man, look at me. I'm crawling off. Oh, look at me. Whoa. I'm speeding around. I'm speeding like a black man, yo. I'm crazy like a black man. Get back here. Oh, I totally hit you with some slime or something, whatever that crap is. Stop farting on me, you crazy car people. Oh, I'm catching up. I'm in fourth. If only I had some hot pockets. Oh, I totally pooped on the ground. This game is awesome. Yeah, aw, man, I came fourth. Dang it, those guys are fast. Oh, whoa, is he a zombie? No. I think it's pretty serious. Yeah, it looks pretty serious. Jeez. Okay, what is even going street? Okay. How is he still alive? Like part of his... And what's that coming out of his eye? Jeez, holy crap. Shh. You should try not to speak. Okay, why is he... What's going on? But... I'll give you a safeguard. Wait, what? Oh. Look at the brains. They start to blow out when he does the CPR. Screw you guys. I was better than you guys all put together. Upgrades your charm and allows you to earn higher scores for wreaking havoc in a race. Okay, I see. Self-esteem, which allows you more easily to get into your persona. Dash and speed, which slows down your ability to get racing. I think I look pretty bad right now. I look pretty sick. It's probably you. Oh man, you look drunk. Probably. Cut you with my scissors. This is why I love Cactus. He makes such crazy, like, Eureka, man. It smells like... See, it's... Because, like, and he looks like that. Shut up and put all your money in this paper bag. Oh God, watch that stuff around your mouth. Shut up, I'll bash your head in with this rock. Are you sure your head isn't just a rock? You could probably bash me in with that thing. There's probably nothing in it, it's probably hollow. You're some kind of a freak, aren't you? Wait, I need to make up a voice for them. You're some kind of a freak, aren't you? Yeah, that works. Oh yeah, racing star. Get back here, yo. Back here. Oh, first place. First place. Run, 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 run. Get out of my way, dog. This game is so epic. I think that this should definitely be like voted game of the year at E3. Whoa, 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 who did I get shot by? Oh, it must have been one of those guys. Final lap. I'm doing it. I'm a pro. I'm in the zone right now. I wonder where that smelly man is. Oh, I can't kill those guys. Oh, I win! First place! Oh yeah. Who's a boss? Who's a boss? I love the music. Hello there! Dot dot dot. Are you waiting for someone? Dot dot dot. You wouldn't need a taxi? Dot dot dot. Come and jump up! He's asking him to get inside of him. Oh. I'll give you a... Oh, you'll give him a ride, alright. Dot, dot, dot. I ain't got all day. Yeah! We all wearing the exact same underwear. Oh man, I have so many more points. Higher scores. Alright. What is that baby doing? Hi there, hot stuff. Does he, Well, hello there, baby. You like when I got down south? Say, is that a banana in your trunks? Or are you just happy to see me? I don't think anybody would be happy to see you. I mean, but like, what's going on? And then like that. And then you have like 3 nostrils. Is that your child? It probably is, too. It would explain a lot. You naughty girl! It is indeed a banana. What? You want one? I have more. I gotta go now. I'm gonna chase you down, homeboy. Okay, alright, gotta go this way. Okay, I think I see what's going on now. Man, I hate those guys. Come on, on, go faster, faster, faster. We're losing. I'm feeling it. I'm overzealous. I'm feeling it. I'm working it. I'm in the zone now, alright. Get out of my way, homeboy. Let's go. Oh, that's why it feels like the stage can change. Oh wait, are you supposed to go down each time? Oh crap, that would explain a lot. Okay, that explains why I did so bad. And that's obviously the only reason, right? It's obviously the only reason. That was terrible. That was really bad. Excuse me. You look at, see, it's Nicki Minaj right now. That's what it looks like. Freaking Nicki Minaj. Have you seen, is that him right there? That's, hey, am I psychic or something right now? No? Okay. Would you mind not running in circles around me? I'm in the zone, baby! What the heck are you talking about? I'm Nicki Minaj. Starships were meant to fly. Hands up and touch the sky. Shut up, woman! Can't you see I'm driving? Man, I did super bad that time. No need to talk about it. I did bad. I know it. Hello there, my electric cousin. Unauthorized entry. No, I think I'm just gonna talk normally. Unidentified human activity prohibited. Why does he have a hot dog if he's a robot? Nothing makes sense in this game. You've got it all wrong, my brother. I'm an automobile, a car. A machine just like you. Please vacate the premises. I like the, you know. Oh man, I just toppled all over every single one of those things. Oh man, these guys are dangerous. Ow, ow, ow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's all just calm down and think about our lives for a second. Get out of my way, you robot. Okay, gotta go up, gotta go up. Oh, crap, that thing looked dangerous. Okay, down. Okay, I think I see where I have to go now. Man, there's so many obstacles. Is it okay? There it is. Here, go out. There. All right, let's get back in. No. All right, that way. Man, there's still 2 more laps. Have ball sacks. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Ball sack looking good. Yeah, I totally slowed that guy down. No, get out of my way! You freaking made me just fall behind that guy. You freaking tool. Tool bag. Now I'm in 9th place because that guy. What a freaking tool. No, I didn't even touch the wall. That's bull. Need to poop more often. Man, this map is hard. Not as hard as me, though, you know? When my boy Keenan's around, you never know what make me happy. Well, at least I finished better than last one. Intruder alert, cease your activity. Move your hands from my circuit board. Hey, it's okay. You like it too, don't you, baby? Okay, this is just like so awkward. Okay, go. Shh, go away. Short circuit imminent, please stop. Don't be like that. If you were a car, I'd already be inside you. Internal failure. System on fire. I knew I'd get you hot. Dave and Mitch, crazy SOBs. Yep. I tried so hard. Spent so much time. I guess I'll never be a true coward. Farewell to hope and ambition. I guess I could go back to my family. What? Alright, well, that was Hot Throttle, you guys. Probably the best game ever. I mean, arguably the best game ever. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, and if you really enjoyed the video, please subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys next episode of whatever game I decide to play. See you guys.